This is the beginning of the dawn of the new world. And that means that we can start enabling new revenue streams that come from the delivery of trusted messaging and trusted voice. What's really interesting is that the leading global industry association for the carriers, known as the i3 Forum, has this whole concept of trusted communications at the heart and core of its new agenda. For both XConnect and its parent Somos, this whole concept of trusted communications is at the heart and the DNA of what we really are. We are board members at both the i3 Forum and the MEF, and that's really a statement of where we feel that we want to engage with the industry, both on the messaging side and on the voice side. We are built as a neutral provider of trusted information services, and our goal and our mission is to really help deliver that to the industry, working in a collaborative way with the entire industry, with the regulators to support these new services and bring tactical solutions today, as well as on that roadmap and on that journey as we develop forward. We are in a pivotal moment in global telecommunications. Due to the increasing lack of trust and the increasing fraud that's happening, the world needs a neutral provider of trusted information that can deliver it can enable the customers to have optimized routing and trusted communications. So our rationale is to make this all happen.